In this video, you'll learn how to clone your voice responsibly using 11 Labs. This process involves understanding the platform's voice cloning rules, preparing your audio, and following ethical best practices. By the end of this guide, you will be equipped to create a voice clone while adhering to necessary legal and ethical guidelines. The first step in this process is to understand 11 Labs' voice cloning rules. It is crucial to have rights or consent for any voice you clone. The platform allows you to create a professional voice clone only of your own voice. Even with consent, you cannot clone someone else's voice directly through this feature. 11 Labs employs a verification method of using voice samples and a voice capture to ensure compliance with this rule. Instant voice cloning, which may allow you to upload shorter samples, still requires confirmation of your legal right to use those samples. Next, you will need to prepare clean audio of your voice. Aim for at least 30 minutes of high-quality speech, as this is ideal for creating a strong professional voice clone. Ensure that the recording environment is quiet by minimizing background noise and avoiding music during the recording. The quality of your audio samples directly impacts the fidelity of your voice clone, so take the time to record clear and concise audio. After preparing your audio, log into your 11 Labs account. Navigate to the Voice Lab section, then select Add Voice, followed by Voice Cloning. This is where you will upload your audio samples. Pay attention to the file size of your recordings, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Ensure you have enough storage space available in your account to accommodate these uploads. Once you've uploaded your samples, 11 Labs may prompt you to verify your recordings. This step is essential to confirm that the recordings genuinely represent your voice. You might be required to complete a voice capture or provide a fresh recording for verification. This process is designed to ensure that only authorized users can create voice clones, maintaining the integrity of the platform. Following verification, you will need to wait for processing. The professional voice cloning process typically takes a few hours, while instant voice cloning can yield results almost immediately, albeit with lower fidelity. Once your voice clone is approved, you can begin generating text-to-speech output using your cloned voice. You will have the ability to adjust various parameters such as pitch, style, and language, depending on the features supported by the platform. As you proceed with voice cloning, adhere to ethical and legal best practices. If you are cloning someone else's voice, ensure you obtain explicit consent documentation. This should include a clear permission form that outlines the intended use, duration, and details about how the individual can revoke permission. While 11 Labs does not permit direct cloning of another person's voice for professional voice cloning, having documentation is beneficial if you are transferring authorized samples. Always be transparent about AI when sharing or publishing AI-generated audio. Disclose that the content is synthetic to avoid misleading listeners. Respect the platform's policies and local laws regarding voice rights. Avoid using voice clones for deceptive purposes, such as hoaxes or scams. Finally, secure and limit the use of your voice files and cloned outputs, ensuring they are used only for the agreed upon purposes.